Okay, everyone, you know that I am a big supporter of the iPad Pro for making digital artwork. I've used Cintiqs before, I've used other digital drawing tablets, but the iPad Pro and the Apple Pencil is my absolute favorite. It's the one I go to, but there is a problem. As you can see here, my iPad Pro is plugged in, and when I go and I start making some lines, you'll notice here, it skips and it adds little dots. This is really frustrating, especially if you're like me and you like to do some cross hatching, and sometimes it works fine like it is right there, but then other times it does that. It just throws out these little lines. I mean, you guys saw I did not make that sideways line, and let me see. I see how it makes the little dots here. So this is a big problem. I tried everything to fix it, but I finally learned the problem. The problem is, and this is crazy that Apple actually did this, Apple makes it when your iPad is plugged in, the Apple Pencil does not work as well. So you have to unplug your iPad Pro and run it off the battery, and then you have no problems like that whatsoever. You can do all the close, fast little lines, the thick lines, the long lines, and it adds no little dots. It doesn't do anything like that at all. So just a little heads up there, if you have your iPad Pro plugged in and it is creating lines like this, it's because you have to unplug it. So kind of disappointed that Apple created it this way, because if you are a professional artist and you are drawing or making digital arts for many hours a day, you're going to need this plugged in. So Apple, if you are listening, please do an update to fix that issue. I guess online it said something about conserving energy so it can charge faster, but we need this to be able to stay plugged in and allow us to make good, solid, reliable lines. So I still use the iPad Pro. I just make sure I have it unplugged when I'm drawing. It's still, in my opinion, the best. This is the M2 processor, the M2 chip. This is it's still the best digital drawing tool that I use, the iPad Pro with the Apple Pencil. But still, Apple, you're better than this. Let's go ahead and fix this. And hopefully, if you're having a problem making these little lines right here, if you don't like those, which I don't know why anyone would, that is how you fix this problem. Okay, I'll catch you guys next time.